noticed water running behind the wall. It was coming from the second floor boiler room. This is on the second floor boiler room. It was wet back in that water going towards the back wall and going down on the first floor. So I just took some simple cooking pans to divert this leak that's coming from here. This motor had stopped working, this pump. So that was an issue there, but all of this was wet. This water got diverted. Went to the drain. So here's the new pump here, and once I diverted the water to keep it from running from about here all the way back and down the wall, I took my drywall saw and cut me some sections out of this firewall to get this opening so air could flow between there to dry that up. At the same time, I used some paint design to take care of the mold and went over it. And the walls were, you can tell they were water damage. A pipe busted on the second floor and caused all of that drainage to come down in this storage closet. But I was able to get it dried out and paint over the water damage, and then it doesn't look too bad. Put 2 coats on there, and it's dried back here, as you can see. But I had to cut out. I didn't know it was that thick, but this has to be firewall or designed for firewall. And I ripped out some of the insulation that was hanging, that was wet. I may have to replace it with some more, but everything looks nice and dry now, and it smells clean. That's important. You don't smell that molded smell, but that looks good. Now that everything's dry, I'm going to put the blocks back in place. I'm going to manipulate the blocks with my saw them back in place and take care of that. See how I do that. These screws are going to intrude out as a back support when I put the first piece back in. Here. You see how dirty the wall was before I cut it. Putting the puzzle back together here. Just want to fill in the cavity. Just going to use this to cover that. Cover my holes here. I'm going to cut out more, that was enough. This is just a primer, and covers pretty good. Just using a brush right now. So I might need to go